Hi ABSS Accounting and Premier Connect users in Singapore. Welcome to today's video tutorial. In this video, we'll guide you through how to set up your business profile to use the advanced ordering and order balance features in ABSS Accounting and Premier Connect. To begin, activate Invoice Now through the ABSS Connect web portal to enable the sending and receiving of e-invoices and orders via the PEPL network. Next, ensure your company's vendor ID is correctly configured in Company Information. If the supplier has different vendor IDs for each customer, they can enter the respective vendor ID in the individual customer's card file instead. Now, select the customer card. The PEPL ID field can be auto-populated if customer UN is a PEPL registered company upon clicking the check button. Next, if your customer is a government agency, you are required to set up the PEPL ID and business unit code in the customer's card information. Click BU List to open the business unit search window and select the applicable business unit. Please take note that the buyer business unit is validated based on the entity type within the government UN that contains GA, GB, or GS. If the invoice payment is to be made to a different entity, go to Payment Details screen and enable the Pay to a Different Company checkbox. Enter the vendor ID and company name of the payee entity accordingly. Click OK to save the card. You're now ready to use the advanced ordering and order balance features in ABSS Accounting and Premier Connect. Thank you for watching.